From Wild Science comes the huge Volcanos of the World kit. Start by creating your own collection of amazingly detailed scale models of not just one, but 11 of the greatest and most amazing volcanoes on Earth. And make them look so real using our 28-page guide. And there's more. Our Wild Volcano Simulator has got it all. Measure and mix the ingredients. Then mold some unique lava bombs. Pop one in the crater, add some reactant, and be amazed. And make bubbling volcanic springs. And there's more. Our tectonic puzzle copies all the world's tectonic plates. Place your models on the fault lines. So that's why it's called the Ring of Fire. Quizzes, challenges, hints. Do your own volcano show at home or school. A world of fun learning and activity in one box. And remember, there's only one Wild Science.